Welcome back to Underway Drifting and Dreaming. I'm Jennifer, my husband Jim, and I have traveled over 5,000 miles on the Great Loop. We left Key West, Florida in April of 2024 on a 48-foot Katie Krogan whalebat called the motor vessel Cetus. We decided to take a side trip to Texas for the winter to spend time with family. We'll be heading back out this spring to jump back on the loop. Currently, we are in Kemah, Texas, which is in the Clear Lake area near NASA, just south of Houston, north of Galveston. And this is the Kemah Boardwalk that we are going by. Kemah offers plenty of marinas and a lot of activities, from the boardwalk to seafood restaurants to all of the great things Houston has to offer, or even Galveston is a short drive away. We are very fortunate to see two loopers begin their adventure. They're not going to officially start the loop until they get to Mobile, but leaving and heading away from the dock and finally having that boat packed and heading west, they were so excited. And we were able to watch two of the boats. I'll go ahead and put that video up of both boats leaving the marina. Join me as I walk through Kemah Boardwalk. There's restaurants, rides, hotels. Our kids loved it here. We would come over and visit the Kemah Boardwalk several times. So we'll go ahead and walk through the entire complex. Make sure you stay around until the end and check out the Mardi Gras celebration in Kemah area.
Oh! Got my... Looks like somebody from Willy Wonka in the Chocolate Factory. Okay, throw the line to the dog. Throw the line to the dog. There's an alligator!
Jolly Rogers had a great time at the golf cart parade, collecting all those beads, and while we went out on the tender and watched the Yacht Gras parade here in Kemah. It was the best time. Thank you so much for watching, clicking like and subscribing to our channel. We're going to continue working on the boat, playing hard, going out and running. So just enjoying the area. We appreciate you being here. We'll be making more.